Now this is class third B. Class third B. Subject GK. Subject GK. So third B. Subject is GK. And page number 60, lesson 44, lesson 44, amazing body parts. Amazing body parts. Amazing body parts. And page number 60. Have to see page number 60, lesson 44, amazing body part. Now first, our body works like a machine. Our body works like a machine. To run this machine, different body parts work day and night. 24-hour many body parts functions. Read the statements and try to identify the body parts that help our body keep running. So health box is given. So with the help of the health box, you can complete it. So first, it beats more than 1 lakh times a day. So which is now search here. So here, first heart. First you have to write about the heart. Heart. So heart beats more than 1 lakh times a day. Now next, these body parts grow till we grow old. So second, these body parts grow till we grow old. So here eyeballs, eyelash, ribcage, lungs, heart, blood, hair, bones, ear and nose and teeth. So here ear and nose is the correct option. Ear and nose grow till we grow old. So here ears and nose. Second, ears and nose. Now third, you see, a full grown person has 32 of these. What are 32? 32 teeth. So here third, you have to write about the teeth. Third, write teeth. And fourth, these last about 150 days. So these last about 150 days. So these last about 150 days. So that is 150 days. That is eyelashes. Eyelashes last about 150 days. Now fifth question. These are the part of our brain. These are the part of our brain. So many options are given. Eyeballs, eyelash, rib cage, lungs, heart, blood, hair, bones, eye, ears and nose and teeth. So here, these are the parts of our brain. So that is eyeballs. Eyeballs. Now we can write here number 6. These are 4 times stronger than concrete. These are 4 times stronger than concrete. So here bones will be correct option. So you write the bones 6. Bones and 7. These are the only organs that can float. So that is lungs. Lungs. Lungs and 8. These can grow all over our body except our feet and palms. So here answer will be here. Answer will be here. And 9 you see, 2/3 of our body is made up of this. 2/3 of our body is made up of this. So that is the blood. 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 And 10. It is like a case in our chest. It protects our heart. So answer will be rib cage. Rib cage. So this will be rib cage. So once again we are going to read. So first you see it beats. First you see it beats more than 1 lakh times a day. So that is heart. Next, these body parts grow till we grow old. That is ears and nose. And third, a full-grown person has 32 of these. So that is teeth. And fourth, these last about 150 days. That is the eyelash. And fifth, these are the part of our brain. So that is eyeballs. Now 6 you see, these are 4 times stronger than concrete. So that is bones. And 7, these are the only organs that can float. So that is lungs. And next, question number 8, these can grow all over our body except on our feet and palms. So that is the hair. And 9, 2/3 of our body is made up of this. So that is the blood. And last, it is like a case in our chest. It protects our heart. So that is the rib cage. So write this in your first, write in the book and then in the notebook. Thank you.